I found 23 cockroaches in my kitchen last month. 23. But here's the crazy part. I got rid of every single one using 3 ingredients you already have in your house, and I haven't seen one in 6 weeks. And no, I'm not talking about boric acid or calling an exterminator who charges $400. Stay until the end because I'm going to show you the exact mixture that pest control companies don't want you to know about. So let me paint the picture. 3 months ago, I moved into a new apartment. Beautiful place, great location, but there was one problem. The previous tenant had left me a little surprise. Cockroaches, and not just a couple. We're talking a full-blown infestation. I tried those spray cans from the store. They'd run away for like an hour and then come right back. I tried those little bait traps. The roaches literally walked past them like they were checking into a hotel. I was desperate, and I was not about to drop $400 on an exterminator for a problem I didn't create. Here's what you need to understand about cockroaches. They're not just gross, they're actually dangerous. They carry diseases, they trigger asthma and allergies, and they multiply fast. One female cockroach can produce up to 400 offspring in her lifetime. So if you're seeing one or two, trust me, there are dozens hiding in your walls. And here's the thing most people don't know. Cockroaches are attracted to three things: food, water, and shelter. But they're also incredibly smart. They develop resistance to commercial pesticides over time. That's why the same spray that worked for your parents in the 90s barely does anything now. So I did what I always do. I went down a research rabbit hole. I read scientific papers. I watched videos from actual entomologists. And I found something interesting. The most effective cockroach killers work by dehydrating them and attacking their nervous system. And you can make this at home. All right, here's the recipe. You need 3 ingredients. Number 1, baking soda. This is your secret weapon. When cockroaches ingest baking soda, it reacts with the acids in their stomach and creates gas. But here's the kicker. Cockroaches can't burp or pass gas like we can. So the gas builds up and kills them from the inside. Dark, I know, but effective. Number 2, powdered sugar. This is your bait. Cockroaches love sugar. It's like candy to them. The sugar masks the baking soda and tricks them into eating the mixture. Number 3, diatomaceous earth, food grade. You can get this on Amazon for like $12, and one bag will last you years. This is crushed fossilized algae that's completely safe for humans and pets. But to insects, it's like walking on glass. It cuts through their exoskeleton and dehydrates them. Now here's how you make it. In a bowl, mix equal parts baking soda and powdered sugar. I use about half a cup of each. Mix it really well. You want the sugar to completely disguise the baking soda. Then add about a quarter cup of diatomaceous earth and mix again. That's it. That's the whole recipe. Now for placement, and this is crucial. Don't just dump this everywhere. You need to think like a cockroach. Behind appliances. Pull out your fridge, stove, and dishwasher. Put small piles of the mixture in the corners and along the edges. Under sinks, both kitchen and bathroom. They love the moisture. Inside cabinets, especially lower cabinets near plumbing. Along baseboards, particularly in the kitchen and bathroom. Near trash cans, they're scavengers, so they're drawn to garbage. Use shallow bottle caps or small container lids to hold the mixture. This keeps it contained and makes cleanup easier. Place them in corners and along walls where you've seen cockroach activity. Pro tip, sprinkle a light dusting of pure diatomaceous earth along any cracks, crevices, or entry points. This creates a barrier they can't cross without getting destroyed. Now, while this mixture is working, you need to eliminate their food and water sources. Here's what I did. 1, deep clean everything. Wipe down counters every night, sweep floors. Don't leave dishes in the sink. 2, fix any leaky pipes or faucets. Cockroaches can survive a month without food, but only a week without water. 3, seal up food in airtight containers. Those chip bags and cereal boxes, they can chew right through them. 4, take out trash daily and keep the bin clean. 5, seal cracks and gaps with caulk. Check around pipes, windows, and baseboards. You might see more cockroaches in the first few days. That's normal. The mixture disturbs them and forces them out of hiding. But stick with it. Within a week, you'll notice a huge difference. Within 2 weeks, they should be basically gone. So here's what happened in my apartment. Day 1 and 2, I saw maybe a dozen cockroaches come out. It was honestly gross. Day 3 through 5, I'd see 1 or 2 at night. By day 7, I hadn't seen any in 24 hours. And now, 6 weeks later, I haven't seen a single cockroach. Not one. This mixture cost me less than $15 total, and I still have enough left over for probably 10 more treatments. Compare that to the $400 the exterminator wanted to charge me. Look, I'm not saying this replaces professional pest control for severe infestations. If you have a serious problem, call a pro. But for most people dealing with a roach problem, this absolutely works. If this helped you, do me a favor and drop a comment below letting me know. And if you try this, come back in a week and tell me your results. I love hearing success stories. Also, if you want more DIY pest control solutions, I've got videos on getting rid of ants, fruit flies, and even mice using natural methods. I'll link those in the description. All right, that's it for today. Remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video on how to kill mice and rats with baking soda.